So in this Google Sheets tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a filter here in Google Sheets. So what a filter might be good for is if you have a column in which you want to filter stuff quickly, you can add this, above the column and it'll sort it out super fast. Here's what I kind of mean by that. So let's just say, for example, I wanted to make this column right here, column C. I want to add a filter to this column. So how to add a filter, I want you to go to data right here. I want you to go about 3 options down to where it says create a filter. I want you to press on create a filter. Then once you hear this bar right here, these 3 little bars will open up, and basically on this side, a bunch of different options here. You can sort from A to Z, Z to A, sort by color, or filter by color, filter by condition, basically a whole bunch of different options here. So let's just say, for example, I type in the words 1, 5, 10, 2, 7, 9, right? Random order here, not from lowest to highest. If you want to filter this, it's super simple. Just press on the filter option right here. If we want to sort it from highest to lowest, we'll just sort from Z to A right here. Press on that and there you go. It is now sorted from Z to A, or I guess highest to lowest. Now if you want to sort it from lowest to highest, press A to Z. You can do that as well. And basically, you can do a whole bunch of different options here. You can filter by color. You can filter, sort by color, whatever the case is. It doesn't really matter. You can get creative that way. But basically, this is how you guys can create a filter and apply it to a cell here in Google Sheets. I hope this video helps.